Wow. Tore up over here. Look at that. My God. Thank you, Jesus, we didn't stay here. Wow. Got the news people out here. Gas station got tore up. Wow, look at this. Bam! Bam! Whoa. Oh my Lord. Crazy. Get a little closer look at the Hampton here. The complete carnage. Hampton and Bartlesville. Wow. It completely tore this roof off of this building over here and just threw it everywhere. A piece of it wrapped around that telephone pole, or that light pole right there. My God. Wow. Look at this. Look at all that. Yeah, we almost stayed here last night. Just tore it up.